I was so close to onboard this $3,000 ka client in my initial days when I was starting my agency. And you know what he asked? He just asked one question which stopped everything. He asked me, ki, Akash, can you please share me your agency website? Oh my god. I had none because I thought ये बाकी जो एजेंसी गुरुज ने सबने सिखाया है कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कुछ वेबसाइट बनाने की, सिर्फ ऐसे ही आउटरीच करो और क्लाइंट ले आओ. बट that's when I realized how important a website is. And henceforth, I decided whatever I do, I need to have an online presence. I'm sure you must have heard this saying कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Well, it has improved, it has enhanced over the period. And now it goes like, जो online दिखता है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से बिकता है. Henceforth, whether be it your agency, your e-commerce store or anything that you are doing online. And in fact, for that matter, offline businesses be, you need to have an online presence in the form of a website which showcases what you do, how you do, and everything about you. So then I decided कि okay, I will build a website for sure. Now the problem was कि use क्या करूँ? There are so many hosting platforms, right from GoDaddy, Hostinger, this Namecheap, you name it. Now the good thing is, I tried every one of those. I have domains which are lying on every one of those platforms. So इसी problem का solution देने के लिए I have made this video today. अब मेरा goal यही था कि सिर्फ I wanted any platform which I am choosing should suffice these three criteria. Number one is affordability. The platform should be affordable. I don't want to spend thousands and thousands of rupees on just getting a hosting, right? Number two is transparency. I want a platform which is super transparent. I don't want बाद में मुझे पता चले कि इसके renewal charges prices इतने ज़्यादा हैं या फिर बाकी सब एक्स्ट्रा बैक एंड कॉस्ट निकल रही है कुछ. एंड थर्डली इट शुड बी सुपर इजी टू यूज. सो कीपिंग दोज थिंग्स इन माइंड आई हैव चोजन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर यू. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम लेट मी शो यू दिस अराउंड. सो गाइज द प्लेटफॉर्म विच स्टूड आउट एंड आई फील stands and ticks every criteria, which is of obviously affordability, second is transparency, and last is ease of use, is by far the winner, like Hostinger. I'm sure many of you would have heard the name Hostinger already, and many of you might already be using even Hostinger. So like I quickly wanted to take you through on all these three criteria कि कैसे सबसे ज़्यादा affordable है, क्यों Hostinger I am saying is the most transparent, and lastly why am I even saying कि is it so easy to use. So let me start from the third one, which is क्यों मैं कह रहा हूँ is it so easy to use. And you know what is the best thing about Hostinger, which I was just exploring through, which is their website builder. You won't believe they have introduced their AI website builder. And this website, so I'll be very frank, I have used Wix's website builder, I have used Webflow in the past, I have used Framer recently, and by far this AI website builder I felt is the most smartest and the most flexible one, and even a school kid can like start using this. So I'll just quickly take you through like what are the features and why is it so easy for anyone to get started with it. So like once you are in the platform and you click on the websites over here and you click that you want to create your website. So these are the basic options that the platform would be asking you. Go for create. Obviously, we are creating a new website. The second step is now over here, you want to choose Hostinger website builder. We are going to use Hostinger's native AI website builder over here. Then click next. And for time being, now if you remember, like or I would be telling you later down the line, which is ki Hostinger provides you with a free domain. Yes, I know there are so many things that Hostinger provides you, which I'm going to cover and tell you within the next few minutes. So meanwhile, what we'll do is we'll use a temporary domain, and once you have bought the plan, which I would be explaining you within few minutes, then you can put over here your domain, whatever domain you want to like attach your website with, and Hostinger would be providing you that domain for completely free at no extra cost. Yes. So like for now, let's use the temporary domain and go ahead. So if you see now, this would be loading and it would be asking some basic details कि किस टाइप का वेबसाइट आपको बनाना है, क्या चाहिए आपको वेबसाइट में, किसके लिए थीम क्या होने वाला है, किसके ऊपर हम वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, and all the basic details if you see. So here is it. Now let AI create your website, and genuinely I am telling you, their AI is one of the smartest that I have found so far. Let's just click and type in your brand name. Let's say मेरी एजेंसी का नाम होगा AB Studios. Now obviously whatever name that you're planning to go with, isi naam ka you can buy the get the domain also, again for free. Now when you come to the type of website, we are not creating, now let's say if you are an e-commerce brand, then online store would make sense for you. Blog, if you are obviously into blogging, writing and all. And business showcasing and portfolio is something for freelancers. If you want to host your portfolio somewhere, again Hostinger is a great place to do that. Now we are mainly focused at landing page. That is what intrigued me the most, so I would be going in with that. And over here you just need to give this AI tool the description. Now you need to describe what your project would be all about. So like brief the AI कि मेरा project ये होगा, मेरी agency ये सारी चीजें करेगी XYZ. As you can see, there is a sample written also in the now it says you need to just again tell अपनी marketing agency के बारे में हम क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते. So I was thinking about, and I wrote a quick description for you guys. I'll read it out for you even. We are a personal branding. Let's consider that AB Studios is a personal branding agency, okay, based in India. And the goal of the agency or agency offers founders and creators in helping building their online presence and a trustable personal brand, which can be leveraged to build huge distribution channels. So ठीक है, I have, if you see, basically briefed the AI कि ये सारी चीजें मेरी एजेंसी करती है, and these details should be included on my website. Okay, now you can also tell other details like we have served 20 plus clients and with great results. जो भी आपको लगता है are details which you want to add on your website, feel free to write it over here and AI will take care of everything, okay, with great results, for example. Now I won't go too long into this, and make sure it has to be like a 700 word thing, so nothing more than that. So 700 words, and when all these things, all these bars turn green, it means the description is on point and AI will understand all your requirements. And यहाँ पे थोड़ा personalization settings भी हैं. Now in which you have the first setting as style. Let's say you want to keep it modern, you want to keep it minimal styled, you want to have an elegant one, you want to have a bold one. But I would say select the surprise me. Now surprise me is a random thing which AI would be picking up for you. So let's leave everything to AI and let the AI decide. So colors में भी I don't want any color palette. मुझे अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना. Why? Because Hostinger's AI is so smart. Why do I want to think? So that is why I say. And if you see now, I'm sure you would be proved again that why I was saying you just a minute back कि Hostinger's ease of use gets the box ticked of ease of use, right? It is so easy. हमने कुछ वेबसाइट कॉम्प्लेक्स कोडिंग नहीं करी, हमने खुद कुछ भी बैठ के कंपोनेंट सिलेक्ट नहीं किए, डिजाइन नहीं करे, XYZ जितनी भी चीजें करनी पड़ती हैं, I didn't have to do any single thing. And what happened now? I just had to tell the AI मेरे ब्रांड का नाम क्या है, मैं बना क्या रहा हूँ, and thirdly क्या करती है मेरी एजेंसी. That is all. So once you click on create a website, now the AI will start doing its magic. And I am telling you guys, just wait for a minute, let this thing load, and it will show you what this thing can build for you. And by the way, हमने और कुछ नहीं करा है, right? We have, like, I have just shown you what all things that I did, and this is what this AI, Hostinger's AI has built for me. Can you see the website? It says AB Studios, logo already made. So elevate your personal branding journey. So अभी मैं आपको सिर्फ वेबसाइट दिखा रहा हूँ जो AI ने फर्स्ट गो में बनाकर दे दी. And we have the capacity to completely edit it also, move it around, anything that you want. So basically in this website, everything is editable, right from text to images to logo, you name it. You want to move anything around, it is a completely drag and drop website builder. So I'll just show you around, and then I'll also show you how you can start editing this website as per your taste. So if you see, great start. सबसे पहले बैकग्राउंड पे एक हीरो इमेज डाल दी, अगेन विद अ वेरी बोल्ड headline which states elevate your personal branding. You can anyways go ahead and edit थोड़ा बहुत जो आपको लगता है it is not up to your taste, but I feel this is very good for a start. So if you scroll down, empowering personal brands with online presence. Now it would take us so much time to think of everything for a copy, for a headline text, for a sub headline text, बाकी पूरे website की copies. And can you see everything is written? And the biggest thing is nothing is vague, nothing is random, nothing is of like a nonsense content कि lorem ipsum नहीं डाला. The AI thought what you gave and it like wrote for you. Welcome to AB Studios, a leading personal branding agency in India. You remember हमने AI को बताया था कि we are an agency based in India and it used that, dedicated to helping founders and creators establish a strong brand. Can you see the clarity, the on point details? Then we move ahead. There is again a great image. And if you see यहाँ पर, see, there is a man reading a magazine which is for entrepreneurs. As we can see, like Virgin's founder is over here. So it is so on point. Once you move down again, now it would be telling you how you can boost your brand, how you can boost your personal brand, how AB Studios is helping you. So उसने सारे elements website में डाल दिए जो possibly हो सकते हैं. क्या क्या services हम देंगे, expert personal branding, brand enhancement services. You can again edit everything. उसके बाद इन्होंने यहाँ पर testimonial का section भी दे दिया ये ने. And lastly, there is a contact us form. You can directly get in touch with us. So if you see, in my opinion, if you ask me, this website is close to like excellent and it is close to going live. इसमें शायद कोई minute changes होंगे. Otherwise, let's say if you are a person who is starting very new in this space, I would say it is absolutely good to go. You can just launch it and like click over here, go live. अभी इसके next step में होगा. So first, now this is the last footer also, by the way. Everything, and I'm telling you, I have used Webflow, Framer, Wix. उनमें ये footer खाली design करने के लिए you need 25-30 minutes, bare minimum. And if you're a newbie, it'll probably take you like 3 to 4 tutorial videos on YouTube and what not to understand कि like इनमें footer कैसे बनाते हैं. And AI just did the entire job for you in one click. This is the magic, and that is why I say it heavily, properly ticks the box of ease of use. कितना easy था ये use करना. मुझे एक क्लिक में पूरी वेबसाइट बन के मिल गई. बीट माय किसी भी चीज़ के लिए आप वेबसाइट बना सकते हो, अपने ऑनलाइन ई-कॉमर्स स्टोर के लिए, एजेंसी के लिए, यू नेम इट. सो नाउ लेट्स से इफ आई वांट टू एडिट दिस वेबसाइट फॉर सम रीजन, मुझे इसमें कुछ चीज़ें नहीं पसंद आ रही, फील फ्री टू एडिट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस ओवर हियर द बटन and it would open the editing tab. Now, over here, if you see, there are multiple things. क्या क्या pages हैं आपकी website में, it will show you. क्या क्या styles use किए गए हैं, color fonts क्या क्या हैं, and there are AI tools separately also for you. Now, let me start by first showing you can edit your text. Once you just double tap, you can start editing your text. Let's say you want to say one-stop solution for all personal branding needs, all personal brands, for example. You can again, and uske baad you can change the image at the background. Let's say I don't like the image, just they have another AI image creation tool. Just click over here and let's say ये मैंने founders के लिए ज़्यादा oriented website है, AB Studios जो मेरा agency है for like taking the example as of now. So I will just type in, let's say, founders having a casual meeting let's keep it simple, let's try this. So if you see, now AI would be generating images for you. कहीं Unsplash और बाकी platforms पे जाके you don't need to search images, spend hours and hours. Can you see the quality of image that it just made for you? See, I mean, I am still shocked that how can a thing be so on point. Can you see? It is genuinely now starting to look like, yes, this is a personal branding agency's landing page or a website. So like पहली चीज हो गई, you can start editing text. Second, you can start editing images and you can use AI again to generate such awesome, like amazing images. And like whatever your agency does, whatever your agency is all about, or whatever your niche is, just type in वो niche क्या है और like just any action around that. So basically this is the kind of description that you would be giving in इस box में, and the AI would be generating the image for you. ठीक है? So apart from that, you can start editing anything, like literally anything, right? From button button का size कम ज़्यादा, you name it, how do you want to do it? And now moving anything around. Let's say I want this text not to be left aligned, I want it to be center aligned. Just click this. And now you can also move the text kahin pe bhi that you feel like. Now these are the things, first of all, which is again making the entire website builder of Hostinger so freaking easy to use. I mean, now I'm sure you will agree with me that a school kid can even start editing and make great, amazing looking websites, right? So let me just put it back because I liked it this way better. And बाकी spacing वेसिंग, I know tools जिसमें spacing देने में भी इतनी problem आती है. Now if you use Framer, you need to have boxing, margins, फिर उसके बाद padding. Over here, you don't need to waste your time understanding all the basics, which I have spent so much time on. You just need to drag, drop, जहाँ रखना है रखो, and design your website. Get done with your website. You need to edit any sort of text, go ahead and do it. You feel like numbers are wrong, anything that you feel is correct, or like anything that you feel needs editing, just click it, get done with it. कहीं पे AI images डालने हैं, just click over here, generate image, give the description, किस type का image चाहिए, it will create for you. And now, another thing which is super important. आज कोई भी website that you're designing, खाली लैपटॉप या फिर बड़े स्क्रीन साइज के लिए नहीं होता है. सो वी नीड वेबसाइट्स, लैंडिंग पेजेस अगेन, दे शुड बी लाइक डिजाइंड और दे शुड हैव अ रिस्पॉन्सिव डिजाइन. मतलब दे शुड बी ओपनिंग very well on multiple different devices. If I'm using it on tablet, if I'm using the website on a mobile, if I'm opening the website on a laptop, every time it should load properly and every information should be properly visible, and moreover the website should look good. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैंने मोबाइल में वेबसाइट खोली and it is crashing, it is looking pathetic. And this is also what Hostinger's like AI website builder covers completely. Yes, that is why like I loved this. When I was experimenting, I was playing around with this, loved it. So वरना क्या होता है in general cases, you need to sit, you need to design the website first for your laptop, then for different breakpoints or different screen sizes, and then for mobile specifically, now you need to design it separately, right? So abhi they have done everything for you. You can start editing the website as per you want, and how do you want it to look in your like mobile phones, even mobile devices. Can you see this is the mobile? Just click over here, यहाँ पे mobile में आ गए, and now it is showing you how it will look in mobile. Can you see it is already ready? It is so clean. Move whatever you want to move. You feel ये यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए. Whatever you want to set around, you can start setting around. Can you see? I mean, wow. Like otherwise giving all these different sizes, setting up, it will take days and days. I remember back in like a year back when I was doing website, I was learning how to, it used to take 10 days to design a website, and now Hostinger's AI website builder is doing it right in one click. I'm so amazed. See, everything is mobile optimized. Nothing needs any like I feel अभी इसमें कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है which needs editing. So in case if this is your agency's website, just add in basic details जो भी आपको लगता है. You feel you can just express it much better. Much better. Just go ahead, do that. So apart from that, add in testimonial generally जो client से आए हैं आपको. And if you feel नहीं आया अभी, you can just go ahead and delete the entire section also. You don't need that. Let's say you can delete that. Now see, contact form be automatically arranged here. You can set the width of the contact form, arrange it as per you want. There you go, my friend. The entire footer is designed even. I'm amazed. So, like, this is not just it, by the way. There is one more thing which is left. And I thought, like, if this thing can do all these things, I was, like, thinking कि क्या इसमें हम लोगो डिज़ाइन भी कर सकते हैं क्या, वरना हमें अलग से कैनवा पे जाना पड़ेगा और अलग लोगो डिज़ाइनर टूल्स पे जाना पड़ेगा. एंड माई फ्रेंड, येस, यू कैन यूज़ देयर AI logo maker as well. Now, I already went ahead and used their logo maker. I wanted a logo which जहाँ पे मैंने बस एक डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दिया कि I wanted एक ऐसा लोगो जिसमें रॉकेट इज टेकिंग ऑफ, एंड आई जस्ट clicked create. Can you see? This is what they downloaded, or like this is what the AI made for me. whatever need you have, just give the description. मुझे ऐसी चीज चाहिए, ऐसा logo बनाना है, and the AI will generate it for you. How crazy it is. So now you can replace this logo जो AB Studio से, let's say you want to replace it, I want to replace it with this Rocket one. I'll just go ahead and download it and upload it over here. Just replace image and you can do it. See how crazy it is. So now this is where I feel, for the record, I think Hostinger's AI website builder is the biggest feature that they have. And I'm sure by now you 110% agree with me also on this, that ease of use की बात जब बारी आती है, it is nothing better than AI website builder of Hostinger. So this is one criteria that is ticked. Now the second criteria, which is transparency. Obviously, I want something, and okay, before we move ahead, you can just go live, click here, and you can just click here and go live with your website directly. No other thing to do. So yes, this completes the first thing, which is ease of use. Now the second thing is transparency. As we were discussing, I want a platform जिसमें मैंने पहली बार तो कुछ अच्छे discounts के साथ ले लिया, but next time when I'm going to renew, I don't want to pay thousands and thousands of rupees. I don't want to pay twice the amount, thrice the amount, right? Because it happened with me. You won't believe, I bought a domain. I won't name the hosting platform. So what I did was I bought the domain and I paid a certain amount. And the time now when it was coming to the end of its subscription, वो 1 साल का मैंने डोमेन लिया था 12 months का. So when it was coming to an end and I went to renew that, it asked me for near about 3x the amount. So अगर मैंने चीज़ वो 2,000 रुपए की ली थी, it was asking me 6,000-7,000 rupees. Now I'm sure you wouldn't want such a thing to happen with you. So this is where again Hostinger makes sure, and the transparency level is to such a level that not only Hostinger is giving you transparent pricing, it is also a WordPress's verified partner. So yes, now WordPress, I'm sure I don't need to introduce you to WordPress. You already know what a WordPress is, what WordPress is. And if you see over here, it is WordPress's recommended partner for getting hostings. So I'm sure this adds that extra layer of credibility and clarity. Yes, Hostinger is my go-to platform. So when it comes to the plan, the transparency which I was talking, if you go whatever, okay, I'll tell you one clear thing over here. Let's start with this, which is picking up your plan. So if you click on the link which I have given below in the video description, you would be taken to this landing page which we are on currently, okay? And once you scroll down, यहाँ पर आपको 4 अलग-अलग plans दिखेंगे, whichever you want to select. I would recommend you go with this one. You don't need to spend more money. Why? I feel premium plan covers everything that you need. Don't go with business, don't go with cloud startup, nothing. You just need this one. Click on add to cart. And now it would be asking you for how long, what is the duration you want this plan for. Again, now Hostinger is providing you all these plans for certain different periods. I would recommend you obviously go with the standard, which is 12 months or 24, or if you already have an established business, then go with the 48 months plan, okay? अब 1 महीने के लिए तो obvious सी बात है कोई नहीं लेगा. 1 महीने के लिए कौन ही अपना डोमेन लेगा और 1 महीने के लिए कौन अपना बिजनेस करेगा, right? We are here to build something which is long lasting. So I would recommend in general go with the 12 months plan. Now, if you see over here, the transparency which I was talking about, other platforms never mention कि अगली बार आपको कितना price पड़ेगा when you come to renew the package, when you come to renew the subscription. And this is where Hostinger has again done an excellent job. See, आप जब पहले year के लिए subscribe करोगे, you would be charged approximately 219 rupees per month, okay? And once you come back to renew next year, they have also told you from next time we would be charging you, Akash, 379 rupees. What more do you want? And if you see, this is not even a jump of 180 rupees. I mean, I am so happy with the pricing. It is super, super transparent. They are right there on point telling you कि भाई अगली बार we would be charging you this much. So you already have a clear picture. Cool. So this is where I feel it ticks the box of being transparent. Not only that, there is one more thing, which is the 30-day money back guarantee, my friend. अगर for some reason which I cannot find yet, which is कि you don't like the services, you don't like anything like what is happening around on the platform, and you need a refund, they are even readily available because they are so much confident in what they are providing, because no one else in the market is actually coming even close to what they are providing. Because अभी मैं जो बताने वाला हूँ कि आपको इतने अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में क्या क्या मिलने वाला है, you will be shocked. You will be even saying कि Akash, this is really like one hell of a platform and I need this. So again, 30-day money back guarantee भी ये लोग offer कर रहे हैं, being this clear, being this transparent. Now if you click on the, like, obviously you would be getting the 12 months or the 24 months plan. If you go with the 48 months plan, by the way, you would be getting 3 months of extra, the hosting plan. You would be getting 3 months extra at no extra cost. But let's say I'm talking about over here for people who are starting new. Cool. So if you go ahead, this is where you need to fill on all the basic details. And there is also one more thing which I love about Hostinger. बहुत सारे platforms, they don't offer this, which is their mode of payment. बहुत सारे platforms would be asking you for credit cards, net banking, PayPal. I am not using, let's say, you are a newbie, you are someone who is starting out new, who is eager to start their online business, but they don't have PayPal, Stripe, you don't use Amexes, you don't use credit cards. उनका क्या होगा? So they have also been considerate enough to make sure that India में अगर we are working, we need to have UPI payments as well. So if you see, they have UPIs, they have Paytm also, because they know everyone in India is running on these two things. So this is, again, this indicates to me that how thoughtful a platform would be. And moreover, by the way, their uptime speed and the loading speed of the website, कई बार ये मेरा भी concern था कि any hosting platform that I am getting my hosting from has to have a great uptime and a good loading speed. Now with Hostinger, they have made this also sure. And do you know how? They have launched, or they have a very new data center set up in Mumbai. So अब अपने इंडिया में ही उनका data center है. So loading time and uptime is going to be excellent. So yeah, coming back, you just need to fill in all the basic details. क्या क्या हैं. So once you do that, over here, if you see, now this is charging you 3,101 rupees. अब बारी आती है अपने तीसरे क्राइटेरिया की, विच इज अफोर्डेबिलिटी. आकाश, यू वर टेलिंग मी दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज सुपर अफोर्डेबल. ठीक है आकाश, मुझे समझ आ गया. यू आर टेलिंग मी कि ईज ऑफ यूज, वेरी इजी टू यूज, आई लव इट, good to go. Second, which is transparency. Okay Akash, you have told me this is far better than any other platform. This is super transparent. This is telling me renewal prices kitne hain. It is also offering me 30-day money back, and apart from that 24/7 support service and everything. But Akash, when it comes to affordability, yaar ye to, it is charging me 3,000 rupees and I am getting just a hosting platform. No my friend, you are going to get like crazy deal. And do you know what all? Now let me amaze you. Hostinger would be providing you, if you just go with, let's say, हमने जो डिसाइड किया, हमने प्रीमियम वाला प्लान लिया जो 149 per month वाला था, and then we choose the 12 months का duration. Now it is not going to charge you for for a domain. Hostinger says you just pay for this web hosting plan and I will give you a free domain, number one, for 12 freaking months. Any domain that you want. Second, a free email. Today, a free email is so important. If you're running an e-commerce, like a service, online service business, whatever, you name it. Aaj free, like a professional looking email is so important, in my opinion, because it has happened with me in my agency so many times. When I used to send a client ko proposal, contract through all those gmail@gmail.com, so it didn't just look professional enough. And client ne kai baar is cheez pe question back bhi kiya hai. And since the day I have started sending emails from my professional email IDs, it has started looking that yes, I am serious, I am genuine about doing business. So it would be covering, now this plan would be covering free domain. वरना अलग से domain only would be costing you 3,000-4,000 rupees. I have bought domain from Namecheap, GoDaddy इतनी बार, and they are so shit expensive, trust me. And over here, you are not paying a single rupee extra. Just pay for the hosting plan, Hostinger says, and we would be giving you a free domain, a free email. यही खाली दो चीजें मिला के 4-5 हज़ार रुपए के आसपास चली जाती हैं, if I'm not wrong. And over here, like I'm getting everything included. Not only that, by the way, there is also one more thing, which is unlimited SSL. SSL is basically another certification. It is another proof, another layer of credibility that it would be that the brand or the website, this website is credible enough, and you get SSL certification on your website unlimited. Again, there are so many things included, and moreover, ye sari cheezein you get at no more than not 3,101. Now, what you have to do is just put a coupon code, which is Akash, AAKASH 10. And now, my friend, you would be getting an extra 10% discount. Done. It would be nothing more than 2,790 rupees. You just have to pay this for God knows how many things now. Like free domain, free email, unlimited SSL, and above all, the AI website builder. वरना पता नहीं कितना pay करना पड़ता है just to get like website builders out there. So I'm sure these all things, if these all things still feel like, I'm sure, like to me, they were like कि are you sure कि कोई back end price नहीं है या फिर back end कोई charges नहीं है, renewal charges नहीं है? And when I started seeing the kind of transparency that these guys are walking in with, I was goddamn impressed. Henceforth, I'm sure you can see how Hostinger stands clear on all these three criteria and wins against everyone, which is their affordability of price, like the pricing affordability. Second is the transparency, and third is ease of use. So I would say if you are starting your brand, if you're starting your agency, or if you're starting anything online, definitely we all need a website, we all need a hosting platform. Look no further than Hostinger, and you would find the link to get your website hosting plan down in the description. And there is also the coupon code available in the video description down. Use that and get your extra 10% off on top of whatever big discounts that they're already giving. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.